Hello and welcome back to the CookHub. Today my mom will be cooking chicken biryani. It's a perfect blend of aromatic spices, tender chicken and fluffy rice, all cooked with love. Here is the list of ingredients required. Now let's take a look at the recipe. So, start by marinating our chicken. Here I have around 800 grams of washed and cleaned chicken. To this add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoon of curd. As I did not have curd, I am adding in buttermilk, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give this all a good mix and let this sit for at least 1 hour or overnight. Next, let's prepare the barista, which is crispy fried onions. These will add delightful crunch and sweetness to our biryani, enhancing its overall flavor. Start by adding 1.5 tablespoon of oil and 1.5 tablespoon of ghee in a kadai. Once the oil is hot, add in the thinly sliced onions. So here I have taken 2 big onions. Add in a little salt. Once the onions turn a light golden color, add a pinch of sugar, and when they are fully golden brown and crisp, remove them from the oil. Now, here my mom has added some barista and its oil to the marinated chicken for extra flavor and aroma. Next, I am starting with the biryani gravy. For that, in a kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Here I have taken the same kadai which I had used for making barista. Into that, add in 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and saute it until the raw smell is gone. Next, to this add in the green paste. This green paste is made of 6 to 7 green chilies, handful of coriander leaves and half of that of Pudina along with grated coconut around 2 tablespoons. Saute the green paste for around 3 to 5 minutes or until the raw smell is gone. Then you can add in sliced onions. I have taken 4 big onions and saute it until the onions look translucent and completely cooked. Next, add in 3 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Give it a good mix and let this cook until the tomatoes are mushy. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add in the marinated chicken and a little water. Give it all a good mix. Do not add a lot of water as chicken will release its own juices. Cover this with a lid and let the chicken cook completely. Now, here the chicken is almost cooked. At this stage, you can add in 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala. Give this all a good mix and again cover this with a lid. Let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. You can turn off the flame after 5 to 7 minutes and our gravy is now ready. Let's start preparing our rice. For that, in a kadai, heat 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee, then add in whole spices, saute them until fragrant. Next, add in the drained rice and roast it gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Parallelly boil 8 cups of water in a pot. Once the water starts boiling, add in the boiling water into the rice, add a little salt and lemon juice, stir gently to combine. Next, cover the pot and let the rice cook on medium flame for 8 to 12 minutes or until all the water is absorbed and the rice is tender. Once done, turn off the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes. Fluff the rice gently with a fork and it's ready for layering in the biryani. Now, it's time to layer the biryani, bringing all the elements together. Start by spreading a layer of prepared chicken gravy at the bottom of the pot. Next, add a layer of cooked rice, spreading it evenly over the gravy. Add pinch of garam masala, few coriander leaves and sprinkle a handful of crispy barista over the rice. Repeat the layers until all the ingredients are used. Finish with a final layer of rice on the top. Drizzle a bit of ghee and cover the pot tightly. Cook on low heat for 20 to 30 minutes. And with that, our delicious chicken biryani is ready to be served. The moment the lid is lifted, the irresistible aroma fills the air, drawing everyone to the table. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the CookHub.